I mind the face with a clean up on me a sweat. I can pull a surprise visit for my mother. She don't know say me I come. That tomorrow. But you know we see this after that of course. She don't know say me I forward. But just a voice note her a while ago. The reason I do that now is because I know say she might if she not link me today, the possibility is she might link me tomorrow. But when she link me tomorrow, she not gonna get through to me. And then she gonna call around. I try to find out if everything alright. I'm gonna want to blow the surprise. I'm gonna link her from today. You know? So possibility of her linking me tomorrow, you not go high. And even if she link me tomorrow, she not go fret. Because she knows that she talked to me yesterday. And she said she did not think about to link me today. So a good thing me link her. So mama when you see this, I'm on the way tomorrow. I think 2017 I last time I see my mother. But of course you have phones so you can have video call and I can see her in a person physically tomorrow. And she don't know. It's a surprise visit. Hopefully me remember say the video while that I go on so I can, you know, gain on the excitement. But right now I'm just pack up, get everything sorted out. And then tomorrow we leave out in the morning. So next time when you see me, it's gonna be tomorrow. Maybe at the airport. Alright, I know. I didn't say next time when you see me would be airport and the airport me there now. Cause my mother just voice note me a while ago. I'm kinda suspicious. But she has been saying this for a long time, so you know. Maybe I know nothing. But I'm not gonna hear the voice note.
Why, mommy, long to see you, but you don't know when I go see you. Long to see you, man. My God. Take care of yourself until tomorrow God's your life.
I know one thing going on, mommy. And time I get like a money and them thing there, you know, so I come give you a link, man. So nobody worry yourself, man, you know. Just go and hold it and stay safe and healthy. Yeah, man, later, mama, I love you. See you tomorrow, mama. She usually say that, you know. But you know, like when it draw closer to the pop-up, the surprise thing, I'm suspicious now. I wonder if nobody tip her off. Or she overhear nothing. Come in and link on my brother, so I want to... Next time when you see me, that'll be airport. Me know if nothing, spill leak. You see me if nobody leak. Me know. Alright, just I made a promise when you see me when I'm there at the airport, right? The struggle of getting some food when it costs $1 million at airport. Alright, hold on 1 second. I know the bag say Wendy's, but I'm telling you what in there. One beef patty, one chicken patty, one bag of Skittles, I'm buy a water and a bigger.
Welcome to board JetBlue flight 2126.
$2,000. Oh my God! Yeah, it's here, there, man. We'll wait for board, you know. So, next time we'll probably see we have landed. Hopefully, the people them let you in them country. And they run me back home. Because we can't take the embarrassment. I get some food, you know. You see it? Alright. In, we get pick up on the way right now. But I think mommy know nothing the same way. I hope she don't know nothing. So the next time when I see it, so I'm going over there, so big day car. What the place name here? Taste Right. So for the day in Miami, Taste Right are the place to go, but most of the yard them probably know on the spot there. Taste Right Bakery. There so. And next time when I see it, it's going to be me and mama. catch her, you know. You finally get to see me. Sunday, you know, yeah? Spend a little time with her. Too much food that you know we are getting. I must done some food as a people. Remember the tell us I feel like such a pick up, yeah man. She did pick up and walk on man. Next time nobody now know. Cannot even brother or sister now go down. Just pull up and I eat that. Curry chicken and dumpling and everything there. Man.